guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's plan was to make Mickey pretzels. Mickey pretzels. I don't know if they're gonna turn out or if it'll actually happen, but come along with me. But I failed twice already. This all started when I made the Disney churros video. That video went over really well, so I thought I would make Mickey pretzels. So it's hard to get yeast right now in the grocery store, but I got some from my mom. She got some, and she gave me a little bag of yeast, and I'm almost through it all. So I tried twice, and I started to film it, and I just messed up the yeast both times. Coming from someone who went to pastry school, I messed up. So I was just going off a recipe online. I think I found a better recipe. I just did the dishes, and now I'm gonna try again. Wish me luck. I thought it would be fun a few videos back to make Disney churros. That video went over really well. I will link that in the cards above. So go watch that video. But this video is not going to be the same instructional kind of video. This is just maybe me complaining the whole time. Kind of lost hope and just want to not do this, but I told a few people I was going to do this, so I feel like I have to pull through, and I have no other video planned for this week. And it is now Friday, and I have to film, edit, and upload this before Sunday. So this is my little bag of yeast that I have left, and most recipes call for 2 1/4 teaspoons. I think that's about what a packet is. So try one more time. Got our melted butter. That's really freaking hot. Okay. If this recipe does work out, I'm going to leave it in the description box down below. While you scroll down to the description box to check it out, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. So the yeast is in the water, and I'm waiting for it to activate. And you can know your yeast is activated if it gets frothy. So I don't know what I did last time, but it's working already this time. See it moving around in there? Maybe the recipe that I found was nonsense. So I have my baking sheet ready. I'm going to put these away. I don't need them. And we're just waiting on the yeast. See? You can see it's starting to activate. Woohoo! So during all of this social distancing, I've been baking a lot more. Normally I take cake orders, and I have put all those on hold. So I've been baking more for myself, making tea biscuits and cookies and brownies and blondies. Basically everything for my YouTube channel, so check out all the rest of those videos. But other people in my family, like my mom, have been baking. So we have been swapping, so if she bakes something, we'll trade. So I brought a banana loaf to her last time, and maybe she'll get some of these pretzels if it works out. Pretzel dough is proofing. We're going to pop them into a baking soda bath and then into the oven. So I'm going to show you how I do that. Let's just see what happens. So the Mickey pretzels are out of the oven. They turned out pretty good. I made 5 Mickey pretzels and 3 regular pretzels, and I'm gonna let them cool a little bit, make some cheese sauce, and then I'll get back to you at the end to see how they taste. Pretty good. Not bad. It's really salty. Overall, it turned out pretty good. I'm not gonna do a video explaining how I make them. I will leave it down in the description box where I got the recipe from. Sprinklesomsugar.com, and if you search pretzels, it's the one that says homemade soft pretzels, but I found them a little too salty. If you love salt, maybe it'll be good for you. Next time I probably would just use unsalted butter in the pretzels and use the salted butter and the salt on top. So these are not the shape of the Mickey pretzels in Disney World. I just made them this way to make it a little bit easier. I'll pop in a picture here of what they look like in Disney World. They must roll them out and cut them, and I don't have the proper cutters for that. But these look like Mickey Mouses just the same. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. And comment down below what you'd like to see me make next.